Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're going to be making today. Isn't it cute? Really simple, but I love it. So let me show you what I did. I've got everything set up in my stamp apparatus, and the stamps that we're going to be using today is this one called Christmas Means More, and I love it. I really do love the set. And we're going to stamp on a little piece of Whisper White. That's why I've got everything set up in my stamp apparatus, and all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, so I'm not going to give them to you now, but they're all going to be there. And we're just going to stamp here in Shaded Spruce because that's the colour in the pattern paper we're using. There we go. So let's set that aside, close up our ink pad before I stick something in it, and I'm just going to give my stamp set a little clean. And this is the Simple Chamois, and this is great for cleaning up your stamps. You just basically, when you come, you just basically wet it under the tap, rinse it out, and then it's just left damp like this, and then you just clean your stamp. So when it dries out, you just put it back under the tap, and wash it out again. So it works really well. Okay, so let's bring back the rest of our pieces. I've got here a piece of Real Red, and we're going to use this to mat our sentiment on. And you can see it's a scrap from behind where I made a boo-boo on another project. And you always save your scraps. Then I've got a piece here of Designer Series paper, and this is from 'Tis the Season. And I love this tone on tone that we've got going on here. And we're just going to put that down like that. And let's see, yes I did. I popped these up on dimensionals. I seem to be going through dimensionals today like a dose of Epsom salts. So let's put our dimensionals on. Plenty here, more than enough. Take all these backings off, and there's one job in crafting, as you know, that I hate. It's taking off dimensional backings. Just something drives me nuts. Okay, they're off. So now we're going to just put this sort of somewhere like that, and we're going to get rid of these backings and try and hope that they go in the bin. I've got a few that haven't. They're all sort of lined up around the side of the bin because you put them in and they just float wherever they choose. Okay, enough of that. Ribbon time. This is the Real Red double stitched satin ribbon, and it's really nice and soft and satiny. It's lovely. And we are going to try and tie a bow. Yeah, don't laugh at me. We are trying. I am trying to tie a bow, even if I don't always succeed. I do try. Okay, one thing is longer than the other, but now it's shorter. Ugh, I think that's sort of... Okay, I can never tell if my loops are the same length unless I sort of pull them together. I think that's sort of decent. And then we're just going to cut off our bits there. So get rid of that. And then we're going to stick it down with some glue dots. I love my glue dots. They work so well. They are just brilliant. Whoever invented these is a genius. I love glue dots. They just, things like this, they just work brilliantly. And we're just going to have that at the bottom there of our sentiment. So, finishing touches. I've got some of these red rhinestones, and I'm just going to put some higgledy-piggledy. Again, as usual, as you know with me, there's no rhyme or reason to what I do. I just plonk where I choose. Okay. Actually, this time, last time I only had 3. This time I'm feeling like more. I want more. But more is always good. Okay, that'll be enough. You can continue forever, I think. So there we go. That's the one we just made. That's the one we made before. Sweet and simple, short and easy. Very nice, simple card to make for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, as I said, the supply list, links to the online shop, sizings, all that stuff, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!